Guys, recently replaced the radiator of my car. It's very much began to leak. It's very easy to do, to remove it. First of all, you need to remove this hose, water hose. There we have two water hose and two oil hose from transmission. This one and in the bottom, and this one. This hose. Remove this hose, water hose, and this water hose. After that, shoot the radiator and change to a new one. Fix all this hose, two water hose, then two oil hose, and most important things, remove air from the systems. We use this hose. There's such a hose to remove air. Remove it from there, from this part. Remove it from there and start engine. The air will come out from the systems. That's all, guys. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel and like.